mess in here, y'all. My yard is a mess. It looks like a mess. It's just a mess. Oh, I found a quarter. Probably some more money under here somewhere. Oh, look what I found. This. Okay, right. Oh, no, that goes in the pot. Anyway, y'all, as y'all can see, I gotta clean this filthy vehicle out. It's filthy. I don't like filthy. I ain't been able to get to it. And so, last time y'all saw me vacuum, I vacuumed at the car, at the, over there by the college loop. So, what you see now is I got this, so I don't have to go over there. Got this. But hey, you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. You gotta do what you gotta do. So, man, anyway, what's up, YouTube? Hope everybody's days are going well. And hope everyone is well in their bodies and their minds and their souls. And like this, my feet always hit this thing right here. And I'm gonna have to get me a cloth and wipe it off. If I had dust blower, I'd blow all this dust out of my vehicle. See, I've been on the dirt road a lot. And I gotta find some way to make it where when I get on that dirt road, I can, I won't have to have a whole lot of dust and dirt and stuff. But that's what this comes from right here. This comes from the dirt road. I've been on a dirt road. I'm gonna go get a cloth. Okay, right here. I know. You probably ask yourself, why are you wiping down with that? Why are you wiping down with that? Hey, that's the closest thing to getting it dusted off until I could get my cloth. And I have to go all the way in the house to get it. And unlock the door because I just got back from take care of some business. So, and this gotta be clean. This right here, this mat right here gotta be clean. And I'm gonna go ahead and tell you, it's cold right now. Not too cold. It wasn't cold like last week, but it's cold. But yeah, I can see me trying to wash that right now. I am gonna wash that. I'm gonna wash that. Anyway, I'm gonna wash that. I'm gonna have to throw that away. I don't know, but I'm gonna have to throw it away. Yeah, I'm gonna throw this away. No, I just. He won't fix it. What do you want to do? Sell it? Oh, I'm gonna let him fix it too, and sell it. Cause he probably have to sell it anyway. So, I mean, just to get him some money. So, hey, is that what you want to do? He can do that. I'm gonna give it to him and let him have it. Coat dirt. Coat getting dirty. Okay. So if y'all don't want to go to the car lot, to a car lot, but to the, you know, to vacuum your car out, you know what you call it. Just get you one of these. Go to Rose's, Walmart, get you one of these. I said Rose's, yeah. Walmart, get you one of these. It's a Black & Decker. Black & Decker. Yep, I said. It's a black plus sign with Decker. Yeah, well, I'm gonna end this off right here, and I'll talk to y'all later.